Rejection, a word that pierces the heart like a cold spear. It burns the ego, it shakes the foundation of our self-image, and if not met with wisdom, it can destroy the spirit of a man. But listen well, because rejection is not a curse. It is a rite of passage. It is the forge where the unworthy are burned away, and only the strong remain. A man must learn to meet rejection as he meets the roaring storm, standing tall, with eyes wide open, unflinching. The way you respond to rejection defines your worth far more than the approval of the world ever could. Let us begin. 1. Accept the pain with honor. When the sting of rejection strikes, it is tempting to flinch, to hide, or to lash out. But you must not. Accept the pain fully, as a warrior accepts his wounds. Imagine a great oak standing alone against the tempest. Its branches may break, but its roots only grow deeper. So too must you let the pain carve itself into your soul, not to weaken you, but to remind you that you are alive, that you are capable of feeling deeply and still standing. Do not numb it. Feel it. Then let it pass through you like a river through stone. 2. Do not beg, explain, or justify. Silence is the shield of the dignified man. When rejection comes, your first impulse will be to explain yourself, to plead for another chance, to seek validation. Do not. Words spoken in desperation are like water poured into a broken pot. They leak away all your value. Stand firm and say nothing more than what is necessary. Let your silence scream louder than your words ever could. Like a mountain before a furious sky, remain unmoved. Let your dignity be your answer. 3. Use it as fuel for your vision. Every blow you receive must be added to the furnace of your ambition. Picture a blacksmith hammering molten iron into a sword. Each strike makes it stronger, sharper, more deadly. So too must you forge yourself. Channel the fire of rejection not into despair, but into resolve. Take the sting and weld it into the armor of your future self. Every no brings you closer to the ultimate yes, not from the mouths of others, but from the life you are building through your own will. Remember, men, like this video and subscribe to my channel, Wired Stoic on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok to be daily reminded of becoming more stoic, masculine, and successful. And activate the bell to stay up to date so you never forget your path again. 4. Maintain your frame at all costs. Your frame, your composure, your principles, your self-respect is the fortress that protects your soul. Rejection is a siege upon that fortress. Most men let the gates be battered down, but not you. Even if inside you feel the tremors of hurt, outside you must stand serene, like a statue carved from marble. Remember Marcus Aurelius himself, who ruled not with emotion, but with unwavering reason. Walk away with your head held high, as if you were the one doing the rejecting. For in truth, you are rejecting a world that did not recognize your worth. Conclusion: rejection is not your enemy, it is your teacher. A reminder that your value does not diminish because someone else failed to see it. It is a test of your masculinity, of your stoicism, of your very soul. Meet it with courage, with silence, with vision, and with unwavering frame. You are a rock in the ocean. The waves will crash, but you will remain. Now go and be that man.